What's down here? 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 I'm actually taking a video right now.
Help us get the thing on the machine.
I'm taking a video, so don't.
Wiggle the machine. Get my
That's what she
cousin's
said.
candy out.
What a hoe for she's a hoe for sure.
Dude, Lindsay, just give me $1.
I'm getting this all on video.
Wiggle the machine.
That's what
Why
she
would I
said.
give you $1 so you can get the next one and hit that one?
Here, go. Go, wiggle the machine.
It hurts so bad. Seriously, just shake it. Come on. Come on.
Oh, now I see what you've been trying to
Shake
do.
it.
That's what she said.
Not shake.
Look here.
All for my candy.
Huh?
All for my candy.
Shake the machine.
Let's just shake it. Me, like all of us.
What are you doing?
Shake the machine.
Donka's hair. This is going on YouTube.
Not even glasses isn't gonna do anything.
That's what she said.
Oh my God, you're gonna break your glass.
Then we got free candy. Ow!
What a noob. Noob!